I'm beginning to feel like a Germanium guy. All the people in the class 9. And who thinks Germanium's cool? Enough to learn facts so you're not a fool. Obviously Germanium was named after Germany, just another discovery by Mendeleev. Yeah, just getting started. Back in the 20th century, germanium was used to make transistors. That's even cooler than being a hipster. People are always finding germanium in compound state or minerals. After all these facts, you might think germanium is extraterrestrial. Believe it or not, but this thing was not always so useful. It finally became useful in 1945. It finally decided to strike, so haters better take a dive. No one messes with the element, it's so deadly. Germanium in a pure state is too highly reactive to occur naturally. No one would believe that one, not even Mendeleev. Oh, get this. Germanium has been found in the atmosphere of Jupiter and other distant stars. It's almost like I'm pulling these facts from a jar. Wow, can you believe this? I'm dropping so much books. Mendeleev's predictions for atomic number, weight, and properties are almost just like the real characteristics. Man, that's just unrealistic. The melting point on this thing is 1720.85. With that fact, just leave and take a drive. The boiling point on this thing is 5,131. I'm just about done, so it's time you tell me how silly my